Hi folks and welcome back. Today I've got something a little different for you. So at the weekend we purchased these two beauties, the USS Missouri and the RMS Titanic. Both are magnificent ships in their own right. My partner, she wanted the Titanic and I wanted the Missouri for myself. So firstly we are going to be unboxing the Missouri. She's a big girl, actually. The USS Missouri. Oh, that's not bad, at least it comes in different bits. Are these packs labelled? A little bit, are they? Feels good quality as well, to be honest. Let's see what the instructions are like. USS Missouri, 1053 pieces. Beautiful. And it of course works with major Lego brands, so you can make it bigger if you wish. I don't wish because I ain't got space for it. What do you think? No. Don't know. Quite a lot of bits.
You've only got box one and box two, got millions of them.
So just taking it out of the box, put it back in the box once I start building it bit by bit, and hopefully you folks can check in with us when they're built. So I just thought I would add a little bit of filler, a little bit of backstory on the USS Missouri. She's an Iowa class battleship built for the United States Navy. She was completed in 1944 and she is the last battleship ever commissioned by the United States. The ship was assigned to the Pacific Theater during World War II, where she participated in the battles of Iwo Jima and Okinawa. Her quarterback was the site of the surrender of the Empire of Japan, which ended World War II. She'd been called the most historic battleship in the world. An interesting fact about the USS Missouri is that she served in 3 different wars: World War II, the Korean War, and Operation Desert Storm. She was decommissioned in 1992, making her one of the longest serving ships in the US Navy's history. Not a bad feat for an old girl like that, eh? Now we're going to unbox the Titanic, which is also very big. This is my first time dealing with the Oxford building blocks. I believe Oxford is a South Korean company. And again, no, the big box. Whoa. There we go, RMS Titanic in all her glory before she hit the iceberg. I don't have any proper filming equipment yet, so this is all being done on an Oppo Reno Z4. So I do apologise about the audio. There's a mix of using the Oppo and using the headset to do a sort of voiceover through Audacity. The bags at the minute. Let's have a look at these instructions. This should take a bit of time to build. 878 pieces. And once again the RMS Titanic. So I am now just going to give you a little bit of filler on the Titanic. So the Titanic was built in Belfast by the shipbuilding company Harland and Wolff, and she was ordered by the White Star Line. She was also the largest ship of her time. She measured over 882 feet in length and weighed over 46,000 tons, which at the time was pretty amazing, to be honest. The construction of the Titanic began in 1909 and it was launched in 1911, and she was considered unsinkable. Unfortunately, she met a tragic end on April 15th, 1912, after hitting an iceberg on her maiden voyage, and we all know how that turned out. If you don't, go watch the film. A little bit hit and miss. She also had two sister ships, the Britannic and the Olympic. Although the three ships had different fates, they were all considered great engineering achievements of their time. Well, morning folks, and this is the start of day 2 so far. This is how far we have gotten with the USS Missouri and the RMS Titanic. Looking beautiful, aren't they? I'll give you another update and another video when we are fully built. Thank you, bye. So just to end the video, guys, I will give you an update on part 2. So in part 2 I will also obviously give you a video of the finished product, and I will explain my experiences working with these. I will try and get my partner to give maybe some insight into her experiences and how she felt with it. I'm by no means a Lego buff, although I do have a fair few sets. They're mainly tiny in comparison, and they were built by my 9-year-old son. I do have loads of Transformers, model cars, and some little figures, but this is only the second time I've ever built anything as an adult with Lego. So I hope you've enjoyed this clip. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, or subscribe. Thank you once again for watching, and have a good day. Until next time, stay safe and well.